At Safaricom, our main purpose is to transform lives. We transform lives through our products, services, and our foundations.
We're on a mission to provide people with a choice to choose their future. One of the biggest challenges of the century at the moment is digital skills and digital inclusion. Typically, that's what we do. We train people and we train educators and students to come out with internationally recognized certifications.
We're looking at digitizing primary schools. We're looking at digitizing education content. We're looking at upskilling teachers in digital skills.
As a teacher, I'm going to incorporate technology in learning, whereby using technology with the tablets we have in schools, I'm able to give them a concept, make the learning environment be more of communication and collaboration. They collaborate.
In particular, I'm very much interested in the use of AI because we are in AI era, and we are able to use to generate materials to reinforce the existing materials for teaching and learning purposes in our school.
Inclusive learning is being enhanced even at this place and at this level. So it's going to help to make sure that many more people adopt this model.
This was an eye-opener for most teachers. Having had smartphones, they were able to discover some of the tools that they've been ignoring for so long.
I have come to realize that most of these tools are actually free. So they are easy to use and they are easily accessible.
Thank you, teachers, for what you're doing. Thanks for being the leaders of a future Kenya, a future world in a way. And I'm absolutely delighted to have you on board as Teachers of Excellence